Exercise 34. If the absolute value of negative 3x plus 9 is 6, which of the following expressions equals 3? Okay, so let's see what we can get. Starting from here, we could use negative 3 as a common factor, and that would have been x minus 3 equals 6. There is a property here that says that absolute value of A times B is the same as absolute value of A multiplied by absolute value of B. So here we would be able to break that down into this product. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. The absolute value of x minus 3 remains like that, equals 6. So x minus 3 is equal to 2 for sure. So 1 is correct. Now, I started from minus 3x plus 9 equals 6, and I used negative 3 as my common factor. Let's see if things would have been different if I had used 3 as my common factor. So, now I'm going to write it as 3 times negative x minus 3 equals 6, which means absolute value of 3 times absolute value of minus x minus 3 equals 6. So 3 times minus x minus 3 is 6. So minus x minus 3 should be 2. But that's not equal to 2. 2 suggests that the absolute value of negative x plus 3. Negative x plus 3, however, we could not derive it from anywhere. This means that x minus 3, 3 minus x plus 3, hold on, minus x minus 3. No, that would have been, I did a mistake here. It wouldn't be 3 times negative x. It would have been minus x plus 3. Minus x plus 3, minus x plus 3. So yes, minus x plus 3 is also equal to 2, which means that both 1 and 2 are correct. Therefore, the right answer here would have been D.